In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for Freshbooks. Whether you're a freelancer, small business owner, or just exploring accounting solutions, Freshbooks offers an intuitive platform that can help streamline your financial management. Let's dive into the sign-up process and get you started effortlessly. The first step in setting up your Freshbooks account is signing up. Go to the Freshbooks sign-up page. Here you have a few options. You can use your email address or, for a quicker setup, choose to sign up with an Apple or Google account. If you decide to use your email, simply enter your email address and create a strong password. Remember, a strong password is crucial for the security of your financial information. If you're joining an existing account as an employee, you will likely have received an invitation email. This email includes a link specifically for setting up your employee account, so make sure to look out for it. Next, let's talk about verifying your account. If you signed up using an email, you should check your inbox for a verification email from Freshbooks. It's important to confirm your registration by clicking the verification link. This step ensures the security and authenticity of your account. In some cases, you might also be prompted to provide additional personal details like your name and phone number. This helps in completing your account setup and tailoring the experience to your needs. Once your account is verified, you will be directed to set up your business profile. This process is user-friendly, and Freshbooks will guide you through each step. You will need to choose a plan that best fits your requirements. Fortunately, Freshbooks offers a free trial with no need for a credit card during this period, allowing you to explore the features risk-free. Additionally, you can add team members, which is ideal for collaborative work, and connect your payment information to facilitate seamless transactions. At this point, you can also explore core features such as invoicing, expense tracking, and project management, vital for business efficiency. After completing your business and plan information, you're all set to start using Freshbooks. Upon finishing the setup process, you will land on the main dashboard. This is where the real work begins. The dashboard is designed for accessibility, allowing you to create invoices, track expenses, and manage clients effectively. Whether you're at your desk or on the go, Freshbooks provides full functionality on both its desktop and mobile app, so it's easy to keep your finances in check wherever you are. Congratulations on completing the setup process. You're now ready to make the most of Freshbooks' tools and services to simplify your business accounting. Remember, the initial setup might be swift, but exploring and familiarizing yourself with all the available features can greatly enhance your user experience. Happy accounting, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to Freshbooks support or revisit this guide.